Once you confirm the vehicle is parked safely, unclip the shift boot by pushing it straight down. Remove the shift knob by simply unscrewing it counterclockwise. To install the Ranger series shift knob, we need to first remove the Velcro patch. Screw on the shift knob all the way until it bottoms out. Then, we need to back up a little bit so that the protrusion with Tacoma logo is facing backwards. Tighten the center screw with supplied 4mm Allen key. We want about 8 to 10 foot-pounds, but just use your common sense. Reattach the shift boot by pushing it straight up into the new clip. Reapply the Velcro patch and you are all set. Now take a break and admire your newly transformed interior. I hope you enjoy the new and engaging shifting experience.